Today, we are going to be making these adorable Easter Basket Cupcakes. I don't care who you are, these are cute.
Step 1, make a white box cake mix. We may be snobs about sprinkles, but we love the convenience of a cake mix in this family. Divide your batter into 3 bowls and then add jelly hues. If you've never used gel-based food coloring before, prepare to be amazed. This is not your grocery store food dye, this is highly pigmented stuff. So I'm just gonna start out with 2 drops for each bowl for a nice medium bright bake. If you're not sure that you've added enough, do me a favor and wait 10 minutes for the pigment to develop. Trust me, it's science and it's gonna blow your mind. Now it's time to tie-dye these cupcakes, which is way simpler than it sounds. All you're gonna do is layer these colors on top of each other, no swirling needed. I repeated the layering twice, filled my cupcake liners up halfway, and then just baked it to the box instructions. As they're cooling, let's use 1 drop of Dublin green to color our frosting and our coconut shred. Then spread or pipe frosting on your cupcake and smush and sprinkle that coconut on top. I'm filling my basket with peanut butter eggs that I found in the candy aisle and my favorite Fancy Sprinkles spring medley, Flutter. Use melted easy candy to pipe little curly basket handles and then blast the whole thing with gold prism powder. Gently place the chocolate handles in the cupcake and you're done.
So good! Nostalgic Easter egg dye, easy, like hour-and-a-half, 2-hour-long project. You can do by yourself, with a friend, with maybe a little bambino, depending on, their fine motor skills. I don't know what kids do, but have fun.